Hi friends, welcome to SB Prediction UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction Tuesday 11th February 2025. Today UK 49's lunchtime prediction first number 8, number 15, number 25, number 33, number 42, booster number 32. UK 49's tea time prediction number. Join YouTube channel membership 99% accurate prediction member only. Join YouTube channel membership now. Join only level 3 UK 49 3 hot number 99% accurate prediction 3 hot number. Join only level 3 UK 49 3 hot number. Join now. Today UK 49's tea time prediction number 9, number 17, number 21, number 36, number 46, booster number 7. Like, share, comment and subscribe this YouTube channel now. Good luck, see you soon next video. Bye bye.